nieces and nephews, welcome back again to Auntie Nell's Kitchen. And to my new nieces and nephews, welcome to the family where we are full of love in Auntie Nell's Kitchen. And I like to get my housekeeping out the way first, okay? Thank you all for your love and support to my channel. But if you would please do Auntie a favor and hit that like button, I really would appreciate it. So it help keep me in that big A word. I can't pronounce it, but you know what I'm talking about, okay? Today we're going to be making teriyaki, lollipop drumsticks, and Japanese udon stir-fry noodles. Okay, so we're going to do a flip and a swip, and we're going to get started. And I'm going to show you everything you need so you can make this Japanese dish at home. It's not hard. Japanese cooking is not hard. Asian cooking is not hard at all. It's all in how you're taught to cook it. Okay, so we're going to do a flip and a swip, and we're going to get started. All right, hold on. Okay, a lollipop drumstick looks just like this. It's where you taking the drumstick and taking all the meat off at the top, and you've pulled the flesh down here. Okay, and so what I left one out to show you, because on my I've done them before on my channel. So you're going to cut around here, this right around this part right here. You see where I'm cutting? And drumsticks have a lot of tendons, so you're going to have to cut through those tendons. Yeah, you're going to cut around here. And what you're going to do is scrape the bone down. And I put those tendons to the side. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this down here. And I'm going to pull my meat down. And see, I stand it up like that. And there's a tendon. I'm going to take this and cut this off. Put that to the side. And I'm going to pull this. And if it doesn't come off easy, you use your knife. You tear it off. You see, I can twist it off. And that's it. And what you're doing, you're exposed to meat. And here's your lollipop. It's just that simple. And you're going to preheat your oven to 450. And you're going to stand it up. Now, I have a drumstick rack. But they're in totes. And my brother and his worker, they took my totes to the shed outside. And I'm not going outside, okay? So, got to clean this up. And so what I'm going to do, my chicken has been cleaned. So I'm going to move this out the way. And I'm going to bring, I can bring this bowl right on over here. I'm going to change gloves and show you what I'm going to season this with. Because I make my own teriyaki sauce. So, and I made that this morning. So I'm going to change gloves, throw this in the trash, change gloves, and I'll be right back. A little housekeeping. Okay, I have my drumsticks. They've been washed and everything. So what I'm going to do, there's no measurement. You according to what your taste. I'm going to add me some garlic powder. I'm not using the fresh garlic. I'm going to, oops, forgot to do one thing. And I forgot to spray my chicken with some olive oil. So my stuff will stick. That's okay. You can always add, but you can't take out. I'm going to add me some, I'm going to be using ground white pepper. I'm using ground ginger, I think. If I can get it open. Gonna throw some onion powder in here. And I have my sauce right here. This is mine. I made it this morning. And you can keep this in the refrigerator. Give it a little shaky shaky. And I did spray this pan right here. I sprayed this pan with olive oil. Shaky shaky. And I'm going to massage my drumsticks in this. And what I'm going to do, you can marinate it in this if you want. And I'm going to stand them up. And if they fall, that's okay. Because like I said, I don't have my rack. And I didn't feel like going out there. I didn't feel like going outside. And if they fall down, they fall down. They just don't get up. And hopefully they all stay up. Some of them need support holes. The ones that got the BBL, I let the ones without the BBL lean on them. They have to support each other. See what I mean? They have to support each other. Help a sister out. So I can get them into the oven. They good to go. That one over there, over here, right, little housekeeping. This is as good as gonna get without my drumstick rack. Let's keep it real. I don't feel like going out there in that tote to get the drumstick rack. I don't want to. So I'm being completely honest and transparent. I don't want to. And so I'm gonna put these in the oven, let them bake. Oh, now you wanna talk. You smell meat. Okay, now I'll be right back. I'm gonna let this bake for an hour, check them, and come back. I'll check them at 1 hour. They're baking at 400. Okay, while the teriyaki chicken is on its final leg, I'm gonna make my yaki udon. I love udon noodles. I eat them by themselves with nothing on them. Not udon. I meant soda. Yeah, I love these noodles. Ooh. Let me do that. Put my onion in. Get that all sauteed in. No. Well, it's fried now. My Soba noodles. Let me show you what the box is. Right here, Soba. I don't know why I called it my housekeeping. Okay, I'm gonna throw that in. Put me a little mushrooms in here. Yeah, little mushrooms. Little housekeeping. That smells good already. Go ahead and get my noodles in so I can get them broken up. I think I need a little more oil to separate my noodles. Add my onion in. Add my Worcestershire sauce to them. A little housekeeping. Put some carrots in here for some color. Housekeeping. Put some cabbage. I don't like the big pieces. Throw that over there for a little housekeeping. Sometimes big pieces are okay, but I don't want them in this. Throw my soy sauce in. This is my Japanese soy sauce. Throw that in there. I gotta have my black pepper. I love these. Are my favorite noodles. I love these noodles. Now, throw a little maple syrup in here. And what this is, I'm gonna tell you, it was three tablespoons of each. 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of what is it? 3 tablespoons, well, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Just 3, and well, 2 on Worcestershire sauce. Black pepper according to what you like. And you can add as many mushrooms as you want. And my noodles were cooked last night, so they will be cold. And that's it. And have some tasty. Had to plate me up some already. See, look at that. That looks... Yeah, these are Soba noodles. Oh, I love them. And this goes good with that teriyaki. The teriyaki lollipops. They're on their last leg, so I'm going to get this in a bowl. This wok is too heavy for me to pick up, so I have to go with the flow. It's too heavy with the contents in it. I love the, oh my goodness. You guys just don't know how much I love these noodles. Guys, we have our teriyaki lollipops. They're just glistening like a Christmas tree. And see, and you know, I'm going to tell you the rule of thumb is about teriyaki sauce. If it's not shiny, you didn't do it right. Teriyaki, I think it's the yaki part. The yaki part of the word means to shine, glossy. If it's not shiny, your teriyaki sauce is not done right. It's supposed to be glossy. Okay, so we're gonna plate some. We got our soba noodle stir fry. We have our teriyaki lollipops. So we're gonna plate us up something. So, good. Yum. All right, here we are. Doesn't it look delicious? Have our soba noodle stir fry with our teriyaki lollipop drumsticks. Thank you guys for watching my video on my teriyaki lollipop drumsticks and my soba noodle stir fry, my Japanese soba noodle stir fry. I'm telling you, soba noodles are really good all by themselves. You can just eat them really with nothing on them. They're really good by themselves. I like them because they're so soft. Okay, guys, so on to the next upload. Thank you for all your love and support to my channel. I really appreciate it. Until the next upload, go be you. But what? Be great being you. Tight hugs, kisses to all of you. Love you guys. I will see you later. Bye.